In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autocomplete with trending searches on Chrome step by step. If you're tired of seeing popular or trending search suggestions every time you open Google, this quick setting change can make your search experience much cleaner and more private. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to google.com. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the Google homepage. On the desktop version, you'll see a settings option in the lower right corner, and on mobile it may appear slightly different depending on your device. Tap or click that settings option, and from the pop-up menu, choose Search Settings. This will take you to Google's Search Preferences page, where you can customize how search behaves. Now, on the left navigation panel, look for and click Other Settings. This section contains a number of extra Google search options that are not always visible right away, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct menu. Once you're in Other Settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Autocomplete with Trending Searches. This is the setting that controls whether Google shows popular and trending search suggestions as you type. To turn it off, switch the toggle to Off. If you're using a mobile device, you may see an option that says, Do not show popular searches, so select that instead. After you make the change, Google will stop showing those trending autocomplete suggestions going forward. This is a great option if you want fewer distractions, more privacy, or just a cleaner search bar experience. And that's it. You've now turned off autocomplete with trending searches on Chrome. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.